this is basically TradeZella. So I logged in, put my 2 trades in there, gross profit $70, $3 commission, and then I linked down here the trade which I drew up. Later on in the, tomorrow or whatever, at the end of the day tomorrow, I'll fill out the rest of these. This is kind of like my template for my daily report cards.
Artlist.io.
Pop this guy open real quick so you can see what I did here. So there's our range. We broke down below the range, found support off the 200 EMA, retook the value area high. That's where I was thinking it was a good time to go long.
Music licensing reimagined.
Once we took this the view up from the electronic hours, looking pretty solid, so I added 2 contracts there and hit the take profit there for $70. Just a nice conservative little trade. I find that you keep the trade size down and there's a little less stress, considering this is the way to trade when you're a newer trader, which I am. I started futures basically in February of 2025. I was trading my own capital, just 1 contract. And then, I noticed my good friend there, Randy, has been trading live on YouTube and all this, doing futures and shorts and all these videos. So then I got into, the prop firm accounts, and then I think it took me a little over a month and I got my first payout. But, since then, haven't achieved my next payout. I'm about almost halfway on the current 50K account that I'm working on, and I have a 150K account that has a balance of somewhere a little over 1,000, I think. So, but that one's got a long ways to go. It's a 9,000 profit target for that one. I just size them a little differently and try to trade around 5 contracts on the MES for 50K, and then I'll put up to 15 contracts on my 150K account. So yeah, but happy with my first trade on stream.